All right, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the lock screen magazine on your OnePlus 15. So if you go into settings and then go to home screen, lock screen and style, tap on that and then scroll down and tap on lock screen settings. You should see the lock screen magazine. So you can tap on that and then this is where you can enable or disable the lock screen magazine. Now, when you enable lock screen magazine, of course, you get some more options in terms of preferences, the wallpaper update, and of course, the version of that lock screen magazine. So you can choose a carousel wallpaper settings so that you can have different wallpapers on the lock screen magazine, and then you can choose your preferences. And then you can also update wallpapers over mobile data. You can choose that to enable that or not. But basically, you've now enabled the lock screen magazine. So that is basically how to do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.